Hey, I'm Brian with Double TI. You caught me in the middle of the game. So I want to talk about this game. This game is Monopoly Deal. And long story short, I got this game because the first time I played it, it was very awesome. I played with a friend from UK, and it was very new for me. At that moment, I hated normal Monopoly because it takes so long. However, this one takes up to 30 minutes maximum, but that's when you play with a lot of people. But this is why you want to have it, right? Okay, so I will tell you my experience. This game is very awesome. You can play it with your family. You want to play something that is not in your game board box because you have played enough and you want to play something new. So here comes Monopoly Deal. It's a very fun game, and the only thing that you have to do is to play some cards, draw some cards, and get up to 3 complete property sets. And that's it. It's a very fun game to have. So if you are going to have a get together with your family very soon, I suggest you to get this game because you won't be disappointed. Like a famous actor said, family is everything. And that's my point of view about this game.